In this video, we will show you how to file a train operator information report. We protect all the confidential information you provide to us. First, go to our website, cdtfa.ca.gov, and at the top, click on Login. That will take you to the Online Services login page. You must log in with a username and password. For assistance with creating a username and password, please watch our tutorials online. On the CDTFA Online Services login page, we will enter our username and password. Then click Login. On the Online Services profile page under the Accounts tab, we will click on the Petroleum Train Operator hyperlink. This will take us to the Petroleum Train Operator account page. Under the Periods tab, find the return period for which you would like to file. In our example, we will file for the second quarter of 2022. Which is displayed by its return end date of June 30th, 2022. Click on the File Return hyperlink. This brings us to the Receipts to Report page. If you do not have exempt purchases of undyed diesel fuel, dyed diesel fuel, or motor vehicle fuel to report, select No. In this example, we do have exempt purchases to report and will select Yes. Click Next to continue filing. This brings us to the File Attachment page. As a train operator, you are required to report the total number of gallons of undyed diesel fuel, dyed diesel fuel, and motor vehicle fuel purchased tax-exempt for use in California. We have developed an Excel template that you can use to enter your transactions for the report. These templates may be used to create a flat, FLT, file. For more information, you can click here to visit the Motor Fuels Online Filing webpage, where you may read the Motor Fuels Flat and EDI Filing Guide and view other helpful resources. To download the template, click here. The Excel template file will be downloaded onto your computer. Open the file. In the Excel file, you will need to enable the macros associated with the Excel spreadsheet. Click the Enable Content button. The General Information tab includes general instructions for general data entry, completing your cover and schedule worksheets, and general information regarding your report. Specific instructions for your applicable template and links to other resources, including instructions on completing schedules, are provided on the Instructions tab. You can view an example of a completed schedule by selecting the Examples tab of our Motor Fuels Flat File and EDI Filing Guide. First, complete the Schedule tab. Click on the Schedule tab. Enter the required information. Remember, you can review the General Information tab for detailed instructions for completing the schedule worksheet. Next, you will need to complete the Cover tab. Click on the Cover tab. Enter the required information. Again, remember, you can review the General Information tab for detailed instructions for completing the Cover worksheet. Once you have completed the Cover worksheet, click on the Instructions tab. Next, you will need to create a flat file. Click on the cell, press Enter to create flat file, and press Enter on your keyboard. You will be required to identify a file name and location for your flat file on your computer. Save the file. If there are no errors with the file, you will see a pop-up that shows that the flat file was successfully saved onto your computer. If there are errors, the fields that need to be corrected will be highlighted in red. Make the necessary corrections and recreate the flat file. After saving the file, return to the File Attachment page. Click on the Add button. The type is automatically defaulted to Motor Fuels Flat File. Enter a description for your file. You can enter any description you like. We do not have any file naming conventions. For our example, we have entered a description for our file as 2Q 2022. Next, click the Choose File button to navigate to the file on your computer, select your flat file, and upload it into our system. Then click the Save button. Your file will now appear in the Attachments section. If you added the wrong file, you could click the Remove hyperlink and re-add the correct file. After adding the flat file, proceed by clicking Next. Review the Summary page. If you need to make an adjustment, click Previous. If the information displayed on the page is correct, click Next. On the Your Information page, review the pre-filled information and make changes if necessary. When all required fields are completed, click Submit. When you click Submit, a window will appear to confirm your intent to file electronically and that your report is true, correct, and complete. Please read this information carefully. Enter your password and click OK to submit. This page represents a confirmation of your report filing. Please take note of your confirmation number. We recommend that you print this page for future reference. To print your submitted return, click on the Print Return button. You can also share your feedback by clicking on the Online Services Survey button. Your opinion counts. If you still have questions, please call our Customer Service Center at 1-800-400-7115, California Relay Service at 711.